Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the detailing brush. So you're new to window cleaning, and right now I'm talking a lot about different tools that you need for the trade, and one of those tools is the detailing brush. So here's an example of a detailing brush. Now there are different makes and models of these brushes. This is not my preferred one simply because it doesn't have an angle coming out here. I like the ones actually that where the bristles are kind of angling out like this. This is just the one I happen to have on hand at the moment, so I thought I would just use this as a demonstration. But I will use this brush for detailing, but my preferred brush, like I said, it angles out here at the top so that when you're detailing a track, you know, you can get down those areas nice and good and scrub all that out. This one's a little more limiting, but it will get the job done, not as well. So be sure you look out for the ones that have the extended bristles, but you definitely need some of these. They're very inexpensive. You want to buy several of these. You're going to go through them fairly quickly. These bristles do start to get jacked up when you're scrubbing out tracks. They will start to bend. They get really nasty. So, you know, purchase several of these detailing brushes. You're going to want them when people are asking for the deep clean, for your window track service, for cleaning the tracks. I offer the deep clean service where I brush and then I vacuum the tracks, and then followed by a wipe down. So if you're going to, you know, offer that, if you're going to offer the deep clean, or however you're going to end up doing your tracks, if you don't follow my pattern, I recommend that you follow what I'm teaching you here. But, you know, like I said, if you don't, either way, you're still going to want one of these brushes or several of these brushes for detailing tracks. You could also use these brushes on the outside tracks. I typically don't use these brushes on the outside tracks unless it's really bad, and like I mentioned in one of my other previous videos, I don't want the water coming down, hitting that, and then forming a bunch of mud. Now, when I am detailing the tracks on the inside, I am going to use one of these brushes, and I'm going to vacuum it, and I do all that beforehand, before I start washing the windows, for the very same reason, which is I don't want to create a bunch of mud when the water comes down the window. Even when it's coming on the outside, that water will seep in through the cracks and down into the track, and then you're going to have a bunch of mud on your hands. So these are a must-have item in my opinion. Be careful that you're not getting the ones with the metal bristles. That will scratch up the framing for the window. It will scratch down in the tracks, so your customer's not going to be too happy about that. So make sure you get a nice plastic bristle brush for doing that. So if you are interested in purchasing a similar type of brush, I believe I have one listed on my website that actually has the angle that I'm talking about. So you can go to my website, windowcleaningdude.com, and check that out there. There will be a link there to that brush as to where you can purchase and find that online. Also, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below where you can once again find the correct brush online. This unfortunately is not the one that I really like, and so it won't be linking to this brush. It'll be linking to the other brush. So if you want to check that out, click the link below, go check it out, or go to my website, windowcleaningdude.com. You can see that there. What else can I say? If you like this video, you found this information useful, please give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate that. I'd like for you to be a part of my window cleaning community here. It also shows YouTube that you do find this content useful. Don't forget to comment down below on detailing brushes, or anything else window cleaning related you want to talk about, and hit that notification bell for upcoming videos, and I will see you in the next episode.